Hi everyone, welcome back. All you need to make Baileys Chocolate Tart is digestive biscuits, butter, lots of chocolate and cream. We're taking all those ingredients and putting them together to make a scrummy, no-bake Baileys Chocolate Tart. I know how much you all love Baileys Irish cream and you can't get better than Baileys and chocolate together. Believe me, you can't. Okay, let's get started. We're starting with my favourite part, making the base for the tart. Place the digestive biscuits or graham crackers, whichever you're using, in a bowl and using the bottom of a glass, break them up until they're nice and fine. Add the melted butter to the crumb mixture and give everything a good mix, and this combines everything together. If you like, you can add 30 grams of cocoa powder to the biscuit crumb to give you a nice chocolatey base. The tin I'm using is 8 inches with a loose bottom, so the tart is easy to get out. Pat down the biscuit base and bring it up along the sides of the tin. Place in the fridge for about 1 hour to set. Now we're going to get started on the next step, the Baileys Chocolate Tart filling. This Baileys chocolate filling is rich and indulgent. For a chocolate tart, it's best to use half milk and half dark chocolate so that you get a good set. Chop the chocolate up into small pieces, the smaller the better, as you want them to melt quickly. When you're happy, add the chocolate to a medium-sized bowl, add the butter to the chocolate. I've cut the butter up into small cubes so they melt quickly with the chocolate. Set to one side while we prepare the cream. Pour the double cream into a saucepan, and we're using double cream because of the high fat content. Now you can add the Baileys to the cream. This needs to be heated until it's hot, just make sure not to boil it. When the cream is ready, pour it over the chocolate and the butter and whisk it straight away until all the chocolate is melted. If you have small lumps, pop in the microwave at 10-second intervals and mix until the chocolate is fully melted. That's great, it's lovely and smooth and no lumps. All that's left to do is to get this into our biscuit base. Pour the mixture onto the biscuit base and fill it up the whole way to the top. This filling is very runny and it will set perfect, so don't worry. Look at that, lovely chocolate filling, delicious. Now for the difficult part, let's get this into the fridge. A great tip for this stage is to pour the chocolate filling into the base when the base is still in the fridge. After 4 hours in the fridge, your chocolate tart should be set. I'm going to decorate this with plain cream. If you want to flavour the cream, you can add 30 ml of Baileys and about 25 grams of icing sugar before you start whisking it. Add a little grated milk chocolate to the centre, and to finish off I got some lovely Baileys chocolate truffles for Christmas. You can also use lentil and Doric truffles if you like. If you don't have either, just sprinkle some grated milk chocolate on top of the cream and it'll be perfect. Cut yourself a nice big slice. This tart has my name written all over it. It's got a digestive biscuit base, chocolate and Baileys in the middle, and then cream and more cream on top. It doesn't get much better than this, does it? You need to put this on your no baking list for 2022. I have lots of amazing recipes on my channel, why not check them out and see if anything else tickles your fancy. You'll find the full recipe in the description box under the video. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and happy baking everyone!
Scrummy!